Summit, and I am here with Karen Gamba, and I just wanted to really, shout her out and shout her team out, and Frank, that's done such a wonderful job of putting this event together. And tell us a little bit about the event.
Sure. The Women Building Women series started because of my work in corporate America. I was looking at all these powerful women that have these incredible voices, but they just weren't really given a shot to share it on stage. It was very male-driven. But I realized I wanted to start something that wasn't so much excluding men. Women Building Women is very inclusive. You will see a lot of men here today, but the stage is reserved for my women and my sisters that'll be on stage sharing their thought leadership. So today's the first one we're doing where we're focusing on women in the events industry. So of course I had to have Miss Carline here today. We know about her wonderful work and her interesting career. So I'm just pleased to have you here, Carline. You've been so supportive and great, which is what this is all about.
Exactly. I love it. And the fact that we're able to collaborate as women and come together in such an amazing way and share our spirit of how we love this industry and our experiences and our knowledge, I think it's amazing what you're doing. It is the first women's, I don't think I've ever had an event like this.
We haven't had an event of this size focused so specifically on us.
Right.
On us. And at the end of the day, this will be a very industry agnostic discussion. What we're focusing on are topics that young entrepreneurs or business women have through their careers. Even women in corporate America, what are some of the challenges they're faced? We're not facing the challenges, we're facing all the solutions. We're going to talk about all of that today. And I cannot wait to hear what you have to say. Thank you, Karen.
Thank you for having me. I love it. And guys, if you missed this year's, make sure there's another event coming up in May.
June 16th, at Brooklyn Steel, we'll be doing another one. We're going to focus on mindfulness and wellness.
Awesome. Love you guys. Talk to y'all later. Guys, we are here at the Women Building Women Breakfast. This is the inaugural first one. I just spoke with Karen, and now I brought you guys Frank here to kind of tell you about the event on his side and how amazing this event came together and what a wonderful job that you guys did. I love it. The spirit of just bringing women together to empower each other, and as an industry innovator, like how did this come about?
You are too sweet, called an industry innovator.
You are.
This event came about because of the power of collaboration. My partner Karen Gamba and I and Heather Vaughan from Webster Hall literally came up with this idea in our living room in our pajamas. And we're honoring women that we are inspired by every day, that have touched us in such a wonderful, wonderful way, professionally and personally. And also for me personally, it's in honor of my mom. She's passed on, but I get to see her in all the eyes of all these beautiful women today, and I'm so excited about that and can't wait to see everybody else.
Live your life, live your dream, find yourself in the things that you love, find your passion in the things that you want to do in life. Do not take life for granted.